looking at this song, Baruch Hashem Adonai, okay, by Dunsin Oyekan and Theophilus. The song was in the key of C sharp, but I'll be playing the key of C sharp, F, and C. Okay, let's take the chord progression. So let's break it down. Okay, so I'm doing the 1, then the 2, the 3 to the 4, then 5, then 6. Then here I'm doing the D. Okay, the D. So the left hand is doing the B flat, D, F, the same. Then okay, so let me sing through to this part. Blessed be the name of the Lord, Baruch Hashem Adonai. Blessed that part. Baruch Hashem Adonai. Baruch Hashem Adonai. Okay. So basically that part he moved from the 4, 5, 6. Let's check in the key of F. So then okay. Blessed be the name of the Lord, Baruch Hashem Adonai. Blessed be the name of the Lord, Baruch Hashem Adonai. Let's check the key of C. Blessed be the name of the Lord, Baruch Hashem Adonai. Blessed be the name of the Lord, Baruch Hashem Adonai. Baruch Hashem Adonai. Basically, that's what they use for this particular song. Subscribe if you haven't.